If you are posting videos on YouTube for a while, you have probably noticed that coming up with new video ideas every single time is not that easy. So in today's video, I will show you 3 methods that will help you to generate endless video ideas instantly without overthinking or wasting your time. Let's get started. Okay, so firstly, to use these methods, we need to get help from a tool called VidIQ. You can sign up for completely free. I put down the link in description. Alright, the first method I would like to show is the search method. VidIQ is actually a keyword research tool, which means that you will type some search terms and it will bring you ideas. Now here on the search field, you can type a keyword that is related to your niche. Let's say that you are in the cooking niche. So we will type here cooking. Now when I click on the related keywords field, we will find here many different search terms and keywords that is directly related to our search term. The next one I would like to show you is the matching terms field. Now under this table, you will find different keyword ideas, but directly matches the search term we wrote here. Okay, so since we wrote here cooking, we find here different search terms or keywords that includes our search term cooking. If you like one of these ideas, let's say cooking recipes, click on that. So this time VidIQ brings us other keywords directly includes that is related to cooking recipes. Okay, let's click here for example. This time we see here for example, easy recipes, quick recipes, beef recipes, and like that. There is one more tab here I would like to show, and that is the questions tab. Now under this table, you will find many different questions that includes our search term, cooking recipes. And these questions are many different questions that people are actually asking. So you can, for example, take this idea and make a complete video about this question and you can answer the question. So by using the search feature, you can find here many different endless video ideas. Alright, the second method is the remix method. Let's say you are on the YouTube homepage browsing for a video that you want to watch, okay? Let's say that you come to a video that has a great title and gives you some idea about a video that you want to make. The video you see here, let's say you found this video, doesn't have to be directly from your niche because VidIQ has a feature called remix. So let's click on this video. Okay, now under the video section, you see here the remix tab. Now when you click on this button, VidIQ generates different video ideas, but that is directly related for your niche, for your channel. So for example, my channel is about content creation and it is for mostly small YouTubers, right? So that's why VidIQ generates here a new title that doesn't write AI tools explained, but it writes creator secrets explained and how to grow on YouTube. That is directly a video idea that is directly related to my niche and to my channel. So by using the remix feature, VidIQ will take the title structure, the successful title structure for any video, and it will apply the same title structure for your niche and for your channel. Alright, method number 3 is the outlier method. Now, if you don't know what an outlier is, when it comes to YouTube, it is a video that performs significantly better than the average views a channel gets and significantly higher views than the channel's size. For example, if a channel has 1,000 subscribers and a video the channel posts gets 50,000 views, that will be an outlier. The biggest advantage of using outlier topics is that it kind of shows us that that specific topic has a strong demand from the audience on a specific niche. But a common mistake that many people on YouTube do is that they take these ideas from large channels and then they make the same video and that video doesn't perform well. And then they keep wondering why. The reason is because rules apply different to large channels and to small channels on YouTube. What works well for a large channel mostly won't work the same for a small channel. But the question is, how will you find these outlier topics from small channels? Because since they are small and there are millions of small channels on YouTube, you won't be able to find them most of the time. And this is where VidIQ comes into play. Here, I will be able to see very similar topics for this video. But what's great here is that it shows us large and small creators in the same time, right? For example, this channel has posted the same video, and this video is doing 25 times better for this channel. But they are also kind of large. They have 70,000 subscribers, but still this channel is relatively large. So I need to look for other channels. For example, this one is a lot better. They also posted a very similar video, and for this channel it does 100 times better. So it's like a really successful outlier score. They only have 6,000 subscribers, but the video got 8,000 views. And with these three powerful features, the keyword research, the outlier feature, and with the remix feature, you can find almost unlimited video topics and high potential video topics that will most likely perform great for your channel as well, quickly and instantly. If you need more information about VidIQ and how to use these features, then you can check out the full tutorial video next. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.